we go. Man's back. I don't know what the audio sounds like, because obviously the bike has been straight piped to its fullest. If the authorities were watching, that was only a joke. Haha. So the plan is today to go climbing. I haven't been to this climbing location yet, so that should be fun. They have like super high walls, should be pretty decent. I'm actually very excited. Zero traffic today. I love this. Of course, everybody's fucking looking, man. I was biking yesterday. Even somebody on a Harley, like they were looking for what was making this noise. And they were looking all around, and then I pull up next to them and they were like, ah, it was this guy. And then also, I was just kind of riding yesterday, and I seen these kids in front of a house. They were basically signaling for me to rev the bike. And yeah, I was like, yo, people actually want me to rev my bike. That's crazy, man. Like, I never had that before, because the bike was like, you know what I mean, pretty silent. So that was a really good feeling, man. A really cool feeling that those boys were enjoying the bike's sound. So yeah, big up to them. It really made me happy. You know, it was a never before felt feeling. So that was nice. So we do have to go through like downtown, which is not my favorite place to go to. But it should be a lot more fun now that the bike has a bit of a sound. Everybody's looking, man. It's crazy, man. Even those kids were smiling like, yo, what the fuck is this machine, bro? Yeah, it's a crazy feeling, man. But the bad thing is, the downside of all this new exhaust system, or lack of, makes me ride like an absolute dickhead, man. I feel like a dickhead riding this bike. The way I'm overtaking, the way I'm doing everything, is just crazy, man. I'm just revving for absolutely no reason. So, yeah, shit. It's, I'm becoming a bit of a dickhead myself. And I don't know how I feel about it. But I can't really go back. I spend so much money on the upgrades. It's going to stay as it is, respectfully. What the fuck is this place, man? Woo! Come on, I've got the clearance now. Man's chilling. Man's downshifting like a fucking animal, man. Holy fuck. Downshifts sound like gunshots, man. I don't know how the audio will be on the video, but fucking hell, man. You can imitate a downshift by just revving. Like, it's crazy, man. What's my guy doing here? Backing up. Fuck, I like these echoes because of all these buildings. That feels good. That feels good. Dickhead, man. Absolute dickhead behavior. Oh, fuck. I am embracing it. Look at that, though. Man's still kind of nice, though, you know. Man's still, you know, man's still nice to the fucking mobile vehicles out there, you know what I mean? Of course, you know, share the road. but share the fucking sound as well. Absolute dickhead, man. Fucking hell, man. All this construction in the city, it hasn't stopped since like fucking last summer, man. They were building all throughout the winter. I don't know if that's like particularly the norm, but that's what happened. That's been happening. So yeah, man, it's not very fun because it just slows down traffic like crazy. Even if you're not going fast, it sounds like you're going fucking fast, you know what I mean? So it's almost the same thing. I'm gonna be a dickhead, man. I think I am. Fucking hell. Fuck, I hope I do not change my tendencies when driving my BMW, because man, please, I cannot be doing that. Okay, nice use of the clutch, come on. My right wrist gets so much more exhausted than normal having the change done to the exhaust system, because I'm constantly fucking revving, playing with the gas. It's just honestly really exhausting the fucking wrist. Like I'm putting too much weight on it, it feels like. But yeah, like highway speeds, absolutely unbearable. Like you need some kind of muffling on your ears, man. Like it's crazy. Okay, I'm getting close actually, 4 minutes. So that's good. I've never fucking been here before, man. So that should be very interesting. Yeah, my right hand is like fucking... Oh man, it would be nice if I could find neutral. Nah, man, not today. Not today. I wonder if I'm gonna get a wave from that guy. I see him behind the blue pickup truck. Let's see if we get a wave. If we get some revs maybe. Actually, only one of them waved, so... What the fuck, man? Maybe they didn't hear me. Shit! That's what it is. That's exactly what it is, essentially. Well, I can't really make the bike any louder. Fuck, this bike feels so nimble, man. So nimble. With all the weight reduction, it's crazy, man. Like night and day difference. Even with the knobby tires. I am excited. I hope I can find some fucking parking, man. I don't want to overtake this poor guy. I'm already being a fucking dickhead, man, so let's chill for a second. Southeast side. Fuck, I have no idea where the fuck that is, man, to be honest. I'm trying to see if I recognize the car that my friend is coming in. Fuck, I have no idea, man, actually. I'm gonna just message him quickly, let him know I'm here, and I do not see his vehicle. So it's actually like really funny, because I actually left all of my climbing stuff, my shoes, everything, man. Like, man's sweating now underneath all this gear, and I left fucking everything at home except myself. I mean, you know what I mean? It wouldn't even be me, man. Big fucking day, man. And then man just forgets fucking everything, man. I guess I'll just wait for him. I have no idea what time he's coming. I mean, I think he's supposed to be here already, but yeah. Oh, I think I see him. I think I spotted him. sounding like a dickhead, man. It's loud, man. Did you see my message? So notice how I don't have my bag with me that I left on the sofa, with my shoes and everything, like an absolute fucking dickhead, man.
Oh, I got you. How you doing?
Alright, let's end the video on that absolutely diabolical handshake, to be honest. Forgive me for even showing that to you guys. I mean, fellas, that's not a good look. If you didn't even make it to this point of the video, I applaud you, because you did not need to witness that absolutely diabolical abomination of a work of a thing, yeah? So, listen, thank you for watching the video, guys. I appreciate all of you. Comment down below what you think of the straight piping. Obviously, it's not everybody's thing, but I love it myself. It does sound better in person, I will say that before you start hating on the whole thing. All good though, no problem. Subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Basically, a year's worth of content that I haven't edited yet. So there's gonna be fishing videos, there's gonna be some vlogs with my best friend, some fighting videos, sparring, wrestling, jiu-jitsu, boxing, kickboxing. Like it's yeah, I have a lot of different type of content coming up actually, and let's try and be a bit more consistent. So yeah, peace.
You know what I mean?